which is nice. Many stories come from this little island. Some struggle, some pain, cause the corruption. Through it all, we still come out on top. Pilipino ay masipag at mataga. Lahat ay kaya para sa kinabukasan ng pamilya. Mahirap man ang buhay, don't be afraid to dream. That's what all say, I believe. Come on, put your hands up. Everybody, come on. Kung ika'y Pilipino, sumigaw ka nun. Sumasabay kahit sino pang isa dyan. Kung may nabagyan, sige ka pa naman. Pero laging taas. Like I said, we're celebrating urban music, so make some noise! Cause let the pain out till we die. One sun, three stars, Filipino pride. There's a time to show we'll be guided. Filipino ay masipag at mataga. Lahat ay kaya para sa kinabukasan ng pamilya. Mahirap na ng buhay, don't be afraid to dream. That's what all say, I believe. Pilipino, sumigaw ka nun. Keep your head up, look to the sky. They can never take our pride. Keep your head up, look to the sky. Give it up for DJ Luna. Working hard over there. Keep your head up, look to the sky. Pero laging taas mo. Oh, you feel urban music tonight? We've got some of the best in the scene. Of course, we've got my husband, Marcus Davis, coming up soon. We've also got the king of R&B here. Where are you? Where did you go? JR is coming up a little bit later. And of course, plenty more. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you, Wave 891. Mabuhay kayo, mabuhay OPN. God bless. Thank you.